Welcome to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can send large files on WhatsApp. So WhatsApp has like a limit, so you can't go over that limit, but through this technique which I'm going to be showing you in this video, you can send however much long file you want on your WhatsApp. Alright, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing. And yeah, for that you're going to need this app called Drive. It is also called a Google Drive. Alright, you can easily download it from Play Store and App Store. Once you download it, you can connect it or create an account in it. It basically, if you have a Google account, you can use Google Drive. Alright, and most of you might know what Google Drive is. If you know that, you don't have to worry about it. You might know what I'm gonna be telling you. Alright, if you don't, then just watch the video until the end. Just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. Let's move on. First thing is you want to open your Drive, and then once your Drive opens up, you want to upload the file which you want to share on your WhatsApp. So to upload a file or a video, you want to click on the plus icon right at the bottom right corner, go on upload and click on photos and videos, and you can choose like whichever video or folder you want to share. Alright, if I want this video, I can click on it and click on upload, and this video will be uploaded on my Drive. And if I want to upload anything else than photos and video, I can click on browse and browse through the gallery and like folder of my phone and choose the folder which I want to, or choose the file which I want to share on WhatsApp. Once it's uploaded, for an example, let's say I want to send this untitled 2 PSD photo. What I can do is after it's uploaded, you can see it over here on your home. You can click on the three dot, go on where it says copy link. Once your link is copied, what you can do is go on your WhatsApp and on your WhatsApp paste it. Alright, so I'm just gonna paste it to random person. So let's say I want to send it to my this friend over here. I can just paste the link which I just copied and I can send it to him. Alright, as you guys can see, it's loading it up. Once it's sent it, whenever he clicks on the link, he's gonna be taken to my Drive and this photo is gonna be shown. If it is a videos link, a video is gonna be shown. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how we guys can send large video files on WhatsApp, by uploading it on Drive, then getting its link and sharing the link, and whoever clicks that link can see your video file, whatever thing you have linked with that link. Alright, so yeah, that's it. Hope you guys understand. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide, and bye bye.